Hi everybody, welcome back to Kevin's Kitchen. I know it's been a minute, but I've been getting better equipment, getting better ingredients, bring you a better show every week, every video, growing and growing and moving. It's what I'm trying to be about on this channel. Hopefully you were subscribed and you were clicking the notification bells and giving each video a like. I wholeheartedly would appreciate it if you did that. So this week's episode, we're actually going to be making an Italian braid. Definitely needs a better name, but it is what it is. I've got our homemade meatballs, which I'll have for you in another video. We've got some cheese, some parmesan, I've got shredded cheese, flat leaf Italian parsley, I've got garlic, various herbs to make our butter. Butter's in the fridge, keeping it cool for the moment, and then a pizza crust. Stay tuned, I'll show you what's going down.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, rip it apart. We're letting go, rip it apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, rip it apart. We're letting go, rip it apart.
So, something ain't right about this here. No, I didn't. Follow the instructions like they told me to. It's gonna be okay. No matter how many times I look at it, Kevin, guess what? You gotta make do. You just gotta make do. The pressure's on because the cameras are rolling. I could have edited this out. But no, I'm choosing to keep it real. This was not my intent, but it is what it is. So this is already a mistake. Not a disaster, but definitely a mistake. The instructions on the can told me to pre-bake the dough for 8 minutes. That gave me a much firmer and less pliable dough. Fortunately, I've always got a backup. But what am I gonna do with this pizza crust? I'm gonna make a freaking pizza. Why not? Ain't this about a mess? My crust came out pre-baked like the instructions said, and it was too firm, so I had to revert and make a pizza instead. Oh well, meatball pizza it is. This is what we're supposed to be having. Y'all, you're not gonna believe this. I got so flustered with my kitchen boo-boo. I forgot to put the cheese in it. Really, bro? How you gonna forget the freaking cheese? Really? Well, calzone, why not? Calzone with no cheese? Why not? Just put some cheese on top of it and melt it before it's done. I like it. My very first pizza from scratch, by accident, but I'm here for it. Alright, not too bad. I kissed it with the cheese on the end. Let's get it in this oven and finish up. Y'all, I don't even know what to say. You just get so caught up with the cameras and the angles and the lights. I can't really call it glitz and glamour. But you do get some awesome meatball bites. That video's coming soon. The results turned out really, really good. Very tasty. Pizza, Italian braid. Both equally delicious and fantastic winners. Till next time, we'll catch you. Kevy's Kitchen.